In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your debit card using the Bank of America app. This is a quick and straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes from the comfort of your home. So, let's dive right in. First, grab your smartphone and open up the Bank of America mobile app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you'll need to do so from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've got the app open, you'll need to log in. Enter your online banking ID and your passcode, just like you would if you were checking your account balance or making a transfer. Make sure you're using a secure network for this step to protect your personal information. Once you're logged in, your home screen will display a variety of options and account details. What you're looking for is your new debit card account. There should be a visible option labeled Activate Card either on your home screen or within your account details. If you're having a little trouble finding it, don't panic. Sometimes it's just a matter of scrolling a bit or checking under your specific account. When you've located the Activate Card option, go ahead and tap it. This will take you to a new screen focused on your debit card details. Here, you might be prompted to enter the last four digits of your debit card for verification. This step is a security measure to ensure that the right person is trying to activate the card. Once you've input those digits, tap Continue. And just like that, your card will be activated instantly. You'll see a confirmation message pop up on the screen saying, "Your card is now active." That's your signal that you're ready to start using your card for purchases, ATM withdrawals, or whatever you need. Before you wrap up, you might have the option to set up a PIN for your card at this point. While this step is optional, it's a good security feature to take advantage of if it's offered. Additionally, you might see options to enable tap to pay or add your card to a mobile wallet. Again, these features are optional but are super convenient for contact-free payments. And there you have it. Your debit card is now fully activated and ready to use. Keep in mind that if you run into any issues, Bank of America's customer service is just a phone call away, and they're always willing to help with any problems that arise. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video.